Good morning, vlogmas.
105. Look how cute she is. Fluffy Christmas sock. You're so curly. Chicken ramen. Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 13. It's Friday, and I am so glad because this week has been so long. So it's 7:35 right now. I'm about to go upstairs and pack myself a little breakfast, and then we're gonna head on over to school. Good morning.
Good morning, vlogmas. Day 12?
13.
Day 13.
We're driving to school now. My dad's taking me. Usually my mom takes me, but he's taking us today. And I have my freeze-dried strawberry cereal in my, what tea is this called? Big Daddy's? Big Daddy's sweet tea. She gave us this big old finals packet. But look at my grades. 92. Oh yeah, hold on. There's another one. 96. I know you see that. Hold on, one more. 105. I'm so smart in this class. This is my highest academic class grade. Yeah. I'm going to the bathroom now. I've been home from school for around like 30 minutes now. It's 3:20. I honestly didn't have a really great day at school, which is totally normal and it sucks. I cried at school for like a lot of different reasons. You know, at the end of the day, it's Friday and I'm just glad to be home. I'm just really stressed out because next week is finals week and balancing all my grades and YouTube at the same time, posting every single day is just a lot of work. I also haven't posted a main channel video in 5 days, which is just like stressing me out internally because I don't know what I want to film. But I did have one good thing happen to me today at school, and that was one of my friends in my film class, Mac, brought everyone gifts for Secret Santa, and that was literally the most cute thing ever. I didn't vlog it because I was just living in the moment and enjoying it, but it made my entire day. He got me this 2-pack of fluffy Christmas socks, and then in each of the Christmas socks he had candy. So all of these were in there. I just took it out and put it in a bag, but there's like M&M's, chocolate, Reese's, all that, and it was so cute. Thank you so much, Mac. Like, it made my day so much better, let's just say that. My parents are going to a Christmas dinner party tonight for my dad's work, so I'm not gonna be leaving my house. Cole has to ref tonight, so I'm just literally gonna be chilling here. And we may wrap some Christmas presents because I need to do that, like, desperately. I think I'm just gonna watch YouTube videos right now and update you later. Hi all, so it's now 5:30 and all I've been doing is watching and editing videos, but I'm upstairs because I'm hungry and I didn't eat lunch today. I just kind of forgot to bring it. There's not too much food in my household right now, so I'm gonna be making chicken ramen because it's easy and I'm hungry and this is what we got. My parents already left for their Christmas party. I don't know what my brother's doing. I don't know what it is, but my ears are like clogged. My throat hurts. I have a headache and I'm just tired. And it sucks because it's a Friday night and I have like literally nothing to do. I'm just gonna be casually chilling here making ramen by myself, which, you know, I think sometimes is a good thing. I'm supposed to be going to a party tomorrow. One of my friends is having a huge birthday party with like 80 people. It's gonna be my first ever high school party that I was invited to. I was invited. It's just a matter of like the process of going through it because her theme for her party is disco, which is a super fun theme, but like we have to dress up and I don't have anything to dress up with. I need to find that stuff and then we need to get like a ride, and me, Jamie, and Neighbor are gonna get ready together. I'm supposed to be going to a party tomorrow. I'm not gonna vlog the party because I want to genuinely enjoy it. I'm just gonna put water in this and then heat it up in the microwave. I took a big old pill. It's like the gel. I took like a big old Advil. Oh, it's Mellow. Hello. She's eating a pillow with someone's face on it. Don't ask questions, y'all. This is the like instant ramen, so it's already in the cup and then you just heat it on up. Oh, wow, look at me being so cookie. I'm gonna put it in the microwave. And I don't know if this is how you're supposed to make it, but this is how I make it. Sometimes the water like spills over and I'm afraid that's gonna happen. 35. Hello. Hello. I have Mellow an Instagram account that I run and I haven't posted for her since before Thanksgiving. So I'm like doing such a bad job. I should probably post a picture of her right now. Do you want to be famous? Do you want to be famous? It's called Mellow Yellow Pup. There she is. She has almost 1,500 followers. Yeah, you're going to be famous. Look how cute she is. Are you kidding me? Oh, that's fresh. Hi, Cappy. Should I make Cappy an Instagram? I feel bad. She doesn't have an Instagram. Okay, what should our caption be? Currently waiting for Katie's ramen. See, now if you guys go and follow the Instagram, you can comment and be like, oh, I watched the vlogmas where she made that ramen. Okay, I get it, it's done. I think they think they're getting treats. I don't even know if we have any treats for me to give them. Sorry. Oh, I do have treats. Yes, good girl. Oh, she didn't catch it in her mouth. Cappy, that was supposed to be for Mel. Mel, eat your treat. There you go. Here. Oh, wow. Fastest 1-minute meal ever. We love her. I know like hot soup makes your throat feel better when it hurts, so maybe hot ramen will make my throat feel better when it hurts. I'm currently sitting on my toilet in my bathroom, and no, I'm not peeing. I'm just sitting here. You know, sometimes I like to change up the angles, and so if you don't want to see me sitting on my toilet, I'm so sorry. Literally, the lid isn't even down. Like, I'm wearing shorts with the lid up. I think I'm gonna fake tan now, though. I think the pill, the medicine that I took is starting to like settle in a little bit more. I feel like I have a little bit more energy, but I think I'm gonna fake tan now. I haven't fake tanned in like a month and a half, so I'm extremely pale. My fake tanner that I use, you don't like shower it off after a few hours. You sleep in it overnight and then shower it off in the morning. So I think I'm just gonna like tie my hair up, put some fake tan on, and shower it off tomorrow morning. You guys have probably heard me talk about this a lot. I hope they sponsor me one day. I doubt it because it's so expensive. I use this really bougie fake tanner that I bought because somebody recommended it to me in a YouTube video, and I just wanted a good one and it looked good on her, so I bought it immediately. It's really effective. It's just really pricey. So this is the Isle of Paradise self-tanning water. So mine's in medium. This is the body one, so you just spray it, comes out like a mist, and then you rub it with the mitt all over your body. Since you're not normally supposed to put fake tanner on your face, you're supposed to put like fake tan face stuff. I have the Isle of Paradise medium self-tanning face drops. I bought this in a set together and it was like total like $65, which I know is so much money, but this stuff actually works and it keeps your tan for a really long time and it makes you brown. Also, I probably should wash my hair, but like we'll do that tomorrow morning. I still need to figure out all the details that's happening with like the party tomorrow because I still don't know. Jamie, Avery, and I are supposed to get ready together, but the only thing about having short hair is literally like my full hairs can't go into a ponytail. This is my high pony. It's so tiny, and look at all these hairs that already fell out. I think I need to get some like clips to clip it up. I found one. Yeah, Curology sent this clip to me. Look, there we go. All right, I'm gonna fake tan. You probably won't see it because it takes hours to develop, but then I'll get back to you guys. So I have my fake tan fit on right now. Hair in a high pony that still has baby hairs coming out of it. Then we have loose pants and a loose long sleeve. Everybody knows I'm the queen of my tan turning out splotchy and orange, so let's hope it doesn't happen this time. But right now, we are going to be choosing the giveaway winner. So if you did not know, on Vlogmas Day 10, I did another giveaway. And I said it'd be open for 48 hours, and now we're going to choose the winner. I'm on the same website as I was last time. Let me turn the brightness down. And I'm going to go copy the link of my video and paste it in, and then it will randomly choose someone. We had 1,360 people enter. And obviously, if you go on the video, there's going to be more comments than that, but sometimes people leave multiple comments. So this will only choose one comment from the person. Start the raffle and pick the random winner. Hopefully the people followed the rules. Oh, we have a winner and I think they followed the rules. Elisa Rodriguez. I would love to win the giveaway because I'm a beginner in makeup and have been wanting to learn, but just don't have the money to buy makeup, so this would be amazing. Let me see if she's following me on Instagram, and if she is, then she won the giveaway. She is following me. We have a winner. Congratulations, Elisa Rodriguez. I'm going to send her a DM right now. I think she's a mom. Her Instagram says mommy of 2. Wait, that'd be so fun. Okay, I just sent her a DM, and if she doesn't answer in 24 hours, then I will have to choose a new person, but let's hope she does. I just want to let you guys know that I did ship out the last giveaway package already, and it should be arriving to the first giveaway winner super soon. All right, y'all, I really don't know what's in store for the rest of the night. It's currently 7 o'clock. I'm gonna open my advent calendar now. My little brother's in the room right there. Hopefully we get something fun because I don't want boring gummies. I want a fun one. Update for all who are new: I had a fish tank and I had 2 fish, and then Cole watched my fish and fed them over Thanksgiving break, and he killed one of them. He killed Noodles, and then I woke up this morning and Chick-fil-A, my other fish, is dead. I now have no fish. I barely had them for like a few months. Cole killed my fish. I blame it on him because we had no problems until he fed my fish. It's okay. I mean, they live and they learn. What day is it? It's 13. 13 is all the way up here. I feel like this is just gonna be regular gummies again. Oh, I was right. Now I'm gonna curl my little brother's hair. He wants curly hair so bad, and I don't know why, because his beautiful blonde hair is so perfect. As everyone knows, I don't really put heat on my hair. As I cut my hair, I put it on it twice so far. I'm like trying to learn how to do hair more because I don't have that many hair tools. My straighteners aren't good. I have one curler with like a bunch of different wand sizes. So I just want to learn and experiment, and since he wants his hair curled, I feel like it could give me more practice and I could learn how to better do hair, and then hopefully maybe learn how to do it on myself. What? I need a pee. I have this mini hair straightener that I got in my BoxyCharm like months ago, and I've never used it, so that's what we're gonna be using right now. It's so tiny. Oh yeah, I saw a TikTok, and that's why. It was like, use a mini straightener, and I was like, oh, a company sent that to me before, so that's why I'm doing this. I'll show you. Yeah, I think that's how he did it. Why are you so close to the camera? Nobody wants to see you that close. Did you wrap your Christmas presents already? Mm-hmm. You did? You wrapped them? Mm-hmm. Dad wrapped presents today, a bunch of our Christmas presents, and he was Snapchatting me pictures of it. You're so curly. Okay, I have to still do a few more pieces. You look like a chicken.
Chicken Little.
Yeah, you are Chicken Little. That's it for this hair straightening curling session with Caiti. I'm gonna end the vlogmas here because I need to get it up. It's already like 8 o'clock. Thank you guys for watching. I know this was kind of random, but this is like a typical day after school routine for me. I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow with vlogmas day 14, which will hopefully be very fun and eventful. Oh my goodness, yeah. Peace in the Middle East.